y'all can see that, but they got your boy greasy at Walmart, man. Hey, man, we got the tires, bro. We're gonna throw these tires on. They should fit better than 315s, a little bit wider than the 305s that came on it. Nice square setup. Push the tire a little bit, good little fitment on it. The car is lower too, so it should be good. We'll see what happens now. Sticky boys, big boys. I'm about to get them off these wheels on some Hellcat rips. Throw them on there and set these bitches on. Call it a day. So we do got the tires on here. Solid setup. And they only had like 200 miles when I bought them off dude. So they straight. Got some thick fronts on them too. I'm about to buy some spacers. Get them spaced out for a little bit for the fitment, cause it is a little sunken in. But shit, looking good right now. Alright, let's go make some money. So usually the gist of what I do like on my side hustles is I sell cars and I sell car parts, right? Flip them really. And yesterday I had a fucking blowout. Pretty much I ran over a screw as big as a fucking pencil. And I need some tires. These tires came with wheels. Sell the wheels, keep the tires, and I got free tires. Really that simple. There's money everywhere, you just gotta go chase it. Just that quick. Made all the bread back. So if you ever broke, my nigga, you need some bread, sell some shit. Or buy some shit. Buy like a set of wheels. Take the rim off the wheels and sell the fucking tires and all that shit separately. I promise you, bro, you'll make like double of what the fuck you even had in it to begin with.
All that woofing up in jail, we did not forget it. With a Russian rapper, but sometimes it's gospel music. Oh, you mad cause your bag getting show now? The ADD can't buy you no more clothes now. 20,000 on my neck, nigga, roll. This stinks got the bag. This stinks is the reason they gon' put you in the bag. This stinks got you mad. This stinks.
That's cool, man.
No, it ain't cool.
That nigga walked up like Mike.
What?
Everybody bring your flashlights over here. Somebody come turn the car on or something. Need a warm up?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Alright, look at Can't see?
Hey, Jay, cut the camera off.
Can't see?
Hey, bro, y'all might as well get this one-on-one real quick. I got half a battery, man.
Hey, watch out, we got game for money right here, bro.
Huh? Oh. Oh. Listen, y'all on the same team. That's what I'm saying. Y'all on the same team. Y'all trying to do good?
Hey, put more money on the
Y'all on
line.
the same team?
She said put more money on the line.
Super Bowl what next week? We have a Super Bowl
No more money.
Hey, more money talking.
Hey, fuck no. This nigga will
more
pay his
money
whole
talking.
fucking paycheck.
He already
Good.
said the box of chocolate.
He's confident. More
Listen,
money on the line.
he already said the box of
Did it
chocolate.
not make two? Did it not make two back to back? Did
More money on the line.
it not make two on the back?
No. Hold on, wait.
I made two back to back. Stop doing that.
Hold on, wait. He in the zone right now. He in the zone.
Four dribbles back.
Fade away,
air ball.
Y'all funny, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna dunk on this nigga soon. Don't worry.
Hey, what the fuck y'all doing? What's this goddamn
He didn't say today's.
One-on-one.
Sweet home Alabama.
Nobody got 1 point?
Auntie was the team.
Yeah, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir.
I know that's right.
My auntie
Good
was doing
defense, good
that.
defense, good offense. Yeah.
Hit that by the
Yeah.
stuff.
Shoot that bitch. Yeah.
Come on, thing one.
Not thing one. You funny.
I'm thing two. Okay, I don't have no choice. He claimed it. Thing one it is.
Yo, AJ, no bullshit. If you this fun playing street ball, nigga, you definitely ass on the court.
See, why you start talking?
Nigga, this is just who I am, baby. I just talk shit. I talk shit on a good day. I talk shit on a bad day.
I know that's right.
Married each other, we damn near a year.
I know that's right.
Back boy, yes sir. Good boy.
That's a one you didn't call.